Say hi to Wanda. She's standing up now, just getting up from her little snooze, and she's probably gonna turn around and lie down on the other side. The Asian lake is just below Wanda, and off to the right you can see Minnie and Becky. Minnie's staying close to the barn these days. She's gonna go lie down in a couple of minutes. I can just tell we may catch her lying down. Hi. A lot of you have been requesting updates. There are 10 elephants here, so I haven't had time to get to a computer. I'm gonna do this update. We're just gonna film it and I'm gonna talk. So I wanted to start with Minnie. This is wonderful Minnie, sweet dear Minnie, and she's 53, and those of you who've read about her know that Minnie, right Minnie? Minnie! Hi! Minnie! Hi! You know that that's her thump. She loves to thump. You know that Minnie is from the circus, and if you saw Animal Planet, every year or so Minnie has kidney issues. She gets really bad urinary tract infections, and we've been feeding her huge amounts of cranberry sauce, and that's been working. But she's actually beginning to go into renal failure. Her blood work shows us that her kidneys are beginning to fail, which means she's on hospice care, and we hand feed her many times a day. Now, she's right now in one of her upswings, but we really can't expect that she's gonna be with us for a real long time now. And Rebecca won't leave her. Rebecca loves Minnie. They've been together for probably more than 20 years. So Rebecca and Minnie hang together. And right now it's a sunny, beautiful day. Minnie's eating hay, which is great, and Becky's standing guard. It doesn't get much better than that. Well, Annie is amazing. She's older, and she's, if you can see on the film, the shadow on her hip, that's a big scar. When she was at Milwaukee Zoo, they sent her off to breed, and the bull almost killed her. She's got a huge scar on her back, but boy, she's tough. She's down by the lake, and I would bet in about half an hour she'll be in the lake. Annie knows how to use this habitat probably better than any of them. She'll go in the lake. She's got a big place where she has her bedroom. She'll cover this whole space about 3 or 4 times today. She's grazing now. You can see her trunk down there. The grass is just starting to come up. It's tiny little green, very tender morsels, and she's enjoying it tremendously. Later, she'll probably go into the lake, then she'll take a mud bath, then she'll go to her bedroom and go to sleep. she is doing really well, and we're so thrilled about that. Now, over here on top of the mountain, just over is Wanda. Wanda goes up that hill every day and sleeps. And we think it's because Nick and Gypsy are farther up the hill. If you look up a little farther, you'll see Nick and Gypsy's barn, and they're actually on top of the hill, and that whole mountain is Bull Mountain. We're fencing the whole mountain for the bulls, and it will be the bull habitat. But Wanda, we think, knows Gypsy. They were in a circus at the same time, and we have videotape of Wanda and Gypsy in that circus. So it's strange. Wanda usually will go sleep on Annie's side, and she's been going up that hill since Nick and Gypsy arrived. She'll sleep there most of the day. Then she'll come trundling in to get her foot soaks and a nice dinner and a warm bath. And then she always, though, the minute she goes out, goes back there. So many people ask about our habitat, how big it is. We don't really know. We just fenced and fenced till we ran out of money. And then we're fundraising again to put up more fencing. Our life is one big, long fundraising effort for fence. But this area that you're looking at now, plus the area where the Africans are, is over 130 acres. But we have all this beautiful space to continue fencing, and we will. So, if you're in a mood to help, push a button and buy a foot of fence. We always appreciate it.